Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you have watched yesterday's video and give me a big thumbs up. And today I'm gonna make, if you like pina colada and get caught in the rain. If you're from Puerto Rico, you know what I'm talking about because this is where it was origin. So today I'm gonna make some pina colada for you guys, easy and simple, and a very nice cocktail. You can do it with rum or you can do it without rum. You can do a virgin pina colada, but today I'm gonna do one with the spirit. Okay, so first we're gonna start by telling you what we're gonna use for this recipe. I'm gonna use cream of coconut. You don't need coconut juice, you don't need coconut milk, you just need coconut cream, the cream you need, guys. And this is the brand that I'm going to use today, Coco Lopez. I think this is a good brand. I'm going to use White Rum. White Rum is the best to make pina colada. Ask anybody. And we're going to use a Jamaican brand, J. Ray and Nephew. I'm going to use rum. I'm going to use the rum. Okay. And I'm going to use some frozen pineapple, fresh frozen pineapple. I'm gonna use 2 cups of ice, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and I'm gonna use a lime. And you're gonna need you don't have to do this, but just for presentation you're gonna need a cherry on top. And most people, when they add the pina colada, they need a cherry on top, so go get you some cherry. Okay, first you want to start by shaking up this cream. You want to give this a good shake, and I'm going to use a half cup of this. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to use half cup. And put the remainder for our next pina colada. Okay, so I'm gonna add a half cup of it. I'm gonna add the frozen pineapple. And this depends on how much you want to make. If you want to make a lot, you use more. You double the ingredients. Gonna add the pineapple juice. Add in the pineapple juice. I'm gonna add the ice. And I'm gonna squeeze half the lime first. And then I'm gonna blend the life out of this. I'm gonna blend till it's nice and smooth and creamy. I'm gonna add some more of the ice to it. And now I'm gonna add the remainder of the lemon. You see how quick and easy this is? And now I'm gonna add the rum. Adding the rum. You don't have to do this part, you can skip it. If you don't drink, you just make a virgin one, as I said before. And I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of rum. This is a lot of rum, but no harm, no foul. Gonna go ahead and give this a nice blend again. think I need to stir the bottom. I'm gonna give this a nice bite. I'm gonna go ahead and serve this up and show you what this is and show you what it's made of. Damn, that one smells good though. I'm gonna pour this out. This is truly value for your money. Now I'm gonna put the cherry on top. I can't believe I didn't get the cherry with the stem. And then I'm just gonna pop. I'm just gonna pop this umbrella on top, you know. Yeah, just gonna pop it right on top. To give this a little vibe. And now, there you have it. If you like Pina Colada, I'm not a singer, but I don't think you can make Pina Colada and don't sing that song. And there you have it, guys, my Pina Colada. This was easy and simple. And I'm gonna get my straw. This was so easy and simple to make. Nothing hard. Nothing hard to do. This is a very nice cocktail. Now I'm gonna drink it. Oh, refreshing and nice. This is the perfect Pina Colada. It was so easy, and that what do you think name? The lime give it a nice buzz. I'm not telling you, this have a buzz. This Pina Colada have a big buzz to it. It is very nice. Look at it, very sexy and cute. This Pina Colada have a buzz to it. So guys, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please like, share, leave a comment down below and get to it. Look at this. Homemade, the best made. Bye guys, thanks for watching.